All right, time check, as I mentioned, 25 minutes before 10. And like I mentioned as well, before we got into the community news segment, penny cool being a very delicious topic for the kids in particular. And I could remember my days of penny cool back in school as well. But on a more, what should I say, educational note, and not that penny cool isn't educational, but on a more educational note, there's a particular group of people, pennycool.com, if I could probably call you all pennycool.com. Yes, and we've got one of the representatives from pennycool.com in studio. We've got the sale and marketing coordinator, Miss Shanice Clark. Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
How are you this morning?
I'm fine, thank you.
But I must say, and I know I said it off the air, but I know people are thinking the same thing, that when our staffers heard that I'm going to have an interview with pennycool.com, they thought to myself and they said to me, tell me when it comes so I can get a pennycool for you.
Unfortunately, I did not work with pennycools. Sorry, staff.
All right, so pennycool.com, for people who know and people who don't know, firstly, welcome to our studios of 103. And tell us about pennycool.com in a general idea. Tell us what it is about.
Thank you, 103, for having me. Pennycool.com is a math and English language revision website. Mm-hmm. We started off at the s.e.a level, so we're building the foundation for the children.
Right.
So we have math, grammar, and vocabulary. Our website is fully endorsed by the Ministry of Education, and it's completely free to use.
Right.
We've been around for 5 years, and we have students from almost every primary school throughout Trinidad and Tobago using pennycool.com.
You mentioned it's free, so you just have to log on or go into it and access all of this
information. Sure. So you go on to www.pennycool.com, and all you need is an email address. Parents, we do advise that you use your email address so that your child, all the correspondence that is passed from us to you would go on directly to you. So not that your children won't have private access, they will use their unique username and password, but the emails will go directly to you.
Oh, so the parents can keep abreast as well what's going on, and the email would be based on your feedback and stuff.
Yes, feedback, and also for prize winners. We have lots of incentives for children to do work. They get rewarded, so once they win, all correspondence goes to the parent.
Okay, so then, like I saw in your brochure that you could win pizza, so I don't win a pizza and take my friends and run off the road and go get it and come back.
No.
Well, it's interesting though, because with the tech-savvy kids that we have these days,
yes.
And it's an interesting way to bring about a learning process, because you've got incentives to learn, and even when you don't have to be in the school forum, you don't have to go to an entire class, you can just sit behind it and it has the answers available to you.
Yes, it's immediately self-correcting. So once you go on and you hit your answer, you get the answers immediately.
Okay.
And also, if you're having trouble with a question, then you can get a worked example. So there's a little icon at the side. You click on it, you get a worked example. It shows you the rule and how to work out the answer.
Oh, excellent. So it's an online teacher.
Yes.
Oh, great. So I don't know who came up with this fabulous idea though, because like I mentioned, it's we live in the age where children at the age of 5, 6, 7 are all
on
into
the
tech.
computer.
Exactly. And
Yes.
for you to develop an idea to tap directly into their rooms, I would say.
So our directors, Faishu Kroma and John DeVoe, both came up with this lovely idea, and based on their needs for their children, they came up with this. And also we have all our content from local teachers.
Right.
So everyone, don't worry about it being not applicable to our syllabus.
Yes.
It's 100% applicable.
Well, you did mention it's endorsed by the Ministry of Education, so more
Yes.
likely you would have connections to get syllabus and stuff to complement what you have on your website.
Yes, everything complements our local syllabus.
Right, excellent. And how is it? How is response? The response has been growing, I'm sure, since you all have launched till now.
Yes, the response is great. We have over 30,000 students on our website. So really, it's quite an epidemic.
Okay, that's excellent indeed. But you also mentioned off air, and you want to make mention of it on air, the stuff that you have going on during the summer vacation, the camps and so forth.
Right, so we have an online vacation camp. So all you need to do is log on like usual with your username and password. If not, just register using your email address. And you have options to do games or any exercise on the website in order to win a prize.
Okay.
So this is at the s.e.a. level, there are games. At the Form 1 level, this is form1.pennacool.com. You can do any exercise on the website and be eligible to win a prize.
Okay, so even the vacation camp is an online vacation camp.
Everything is online.
Nice. So even at that instant, you don't have to head out.
You don't have to head out into traffic.
Yes.
You can be in the comfort of your home. Parents don't have to worry too much how are picking them up. They're all at home.
Not even that, parents these days are very particular about who they leave the kids with.
Exactly.
So you leave your kids home with the grandparents and they can still be a part of a summer camp.
Yes.
Online. All right, excellent. And this, like you mentioned, it's the s.e.a. students as well as Form 1s.
Yes.
Different categories, right?
Different categories. So at the s.e.a., we start from Standard 3 to Standard 5. And then they graduate and they go on to secondary school. So right now we have form1.pennacool.com, and in September we will be launching form2.pennacool.com.
All right.
Hopefully
nice.
soon, next year even, we'll be all the way up to CXC level.
Yes. And that way it creates interaction too, because if it is, for instance, I'm not sure if the website allows people to chat, like friends to chat, no?
No, it does
Okay.
not.
So, but even in that instance, let's say two student would go on and see a particular problem, get the solution, they can help each other out.
We have a Facebook page, so people can communicate via Facebook.
There we go. What's the Facebook connection?
Pennacool.com.
Simple. So, and all that link is on the website too.
Everything is on the website.
Okay, excellent. So, you tap into vocabulary, into English language and mathematics as well for Form 1s.
For Form 1, it's completely mathematics.
Or just completely mathematics.
We have some English language revision, but moving on up to the upper school, we will be focusing on mathematics.
Okay, all right, great. And what about, like, you have a database that you keep of the students and stuff?
Yes, at this very moment, we have our staff working, inputting data into our system right now.
So they would tell you, like, which school they're from and stuff like that too as well?
On the website, you can go on, see our winners, and on the winners boards, we have a lot of schools. You can go on, see schools from Astra straight down to St. Joseph's Convent, Port of Spain, St. Joseph, Presentation College, all these schools.
Okay, and you said it's free to enter. All you have to do is log on. But you did mention as well that you need to get an access. Is it an access code?
Yes, for form1.pennacool.com, you need an access code. If you go to our leading bookstores throughout Trinidad and Tobago, we have a package which includes companion workbooks and the access code for $130.
Okay.
So that is really a subscription to our website where you get over thousands of questions to help with your repetition, revision, so on.
And you mentioned that you'll get a companion workbook. What are those about?
The companion workbook is a physical booklet for the 23 topics that we have on our website.
Okay.
So we have 11 mathematics and 12 language arts for the s.e.a. and 11 mathematics and 12 English language for Form 1. So you have a physical booklet and then it gives you a website reference to our online database.
So this is basically like you get a textbook before you get the exam.
Yes.
All right, great, nice. And what about information regarding contacts? If anybody wants to get in contact with you all,
you can call us at 222-0096. 222-0096.
And you mentioned the website, which is simple, and the Facebook page as well, which is simple. Anything else that you want to highlight? There's a lot of buzz around it, I can tell, because by your mountain to the amount of people that's already on. Seems to be going great so far. I did see part of your explanation as well for doing an online thing, being the 3 R's and including the final R as the computer literacy, being a part of the idea of creating the pennacool.com online, because like we mentioned at the beginning of the interview, that a lot of students are more into tech. They're more tech savvy, so they're more into that kind of stuff. So, and with the guidance of parents and guardians students as well. They can boost themselves for exams coming up. Nice, I like it.
Yes, and especially with the transition from primary school to secondary school,
Yes.
they can still go on and use form1.panacool.com. Right now, the vacation camp for both s.e.a. and Form 1 are completely free.
Okay, is there a limit though?
A limit to?
The amount of people can go on.
No. We are catering for every student in Trinidad and Tobago.
So it's a nationwide summer camp.
Yes.
I like that. Great. Anything else that you want to mention though regarding the pennycool.com? You did mention though that come September, correct me if I'm wrong, that you would introduce the Form 2s,
yes.
and then next year hopefully you'll get into the Form 3, 4 until 5.
Yes.
All right. Nice. Anything you want to touch base on that I didn't or I missed out on?
Well, no, but thank you so much. We have parents, do not forget that this is a simple, easy to use website. Everything is immediately self-correcting, so you don't have to worry too much about not maybe being able to remember how to do these sums from your days in primary school. And we have incentives for the children, so they win games, win prizes based on the games that they do, courtesy our sponsors, Mario's Pizza, Flavorite Ice Cream, First Citizens Neo Destiny accounts. We also have hampers from Milo, Smolta, and Noel Festival biscuits.
All right. Well, before we wrap up, though, we want to give all the general information again for people who missed it at the beginning or want to be reminded, and people take notes while these things are happening. So we want to give them the name of the website and as well a general synopsis of what's going to happen with regarding the vacation camps.
Okay, so the website is panacool.com and form1.panacool.com. The vacation camp has started already, but you can start at any time, and you have opportunities to win pizza, ice cream, and Android tablets. So log on, go on, use the website, and feel free to just continue doing work for your revision purposes.
All right. You the vacation camp would run until the end of August.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, great. And your telephone number again, remind me.
222-0096.
And when you go onto the website, listeners, you can tap into the Facebook page as well, and also mention to us or remind us again of the package when you head off to the leading bookstores so that you can get it for the Form 1s.
For the Form 1s, you pay $130 and get an access code and 23 companion workbooks.
Right, excellent. So we've covered the basis of pennycool.com, and I'm sure with the kids listening as well, those of you who didn't check it out as yet, just for checking it out sake, you would log on to, or you would get into pennycool.com. It's spelled though, pennacool.com, and you can check it out, and you can put in your parents' email, like Shanice mentioned, so that your parents can get information and responses from pennycool.com. Yeah? Any final words?
Don't forget, panacool.com, leaders in online education.
All right. Well, from us here at 103 FM, it's a great idea, and we want to wish you and the entire team at pennycool.com all the best, and keep us abreast when things are developing. Like,
thank you so much, and we will.
Yeah, when you head into the Form 2s and the Form 5s, and even you never know, you could end up further than that, you know.
Never know.
You never know. Thanks once again for coming to our studios of 103.
Thank you so much.
You're most welcome. That's Miss Shanice Clark, the Sales and Marketing Coordinator of pennycool.com. You can check it out. It's a free online vacation camp as well that's happening, but it's more importantly as well, they give you revision for s.e.a. students and Form 1 students, and you can call them for further information if you like, the parents in particular, at 222-0096. But more importantly, and it's very important to know that this program and this product has been endorsed by the Ministry of Education. We're just about 10 minutes heading up to 10 o'clock. This is 103 FM. The first to find us a couple of messages and come back with some music right after these.